Let's have an overview of the new PV-ISOTEST. From the menu, we have all the functions. Let's start with the first. The first function is the DMM, like a digital multimeter. And the instrument can show you the RMS value of the voltage between positive and negative earth, negative and earth. The same value DC are displayed. This is very easy. Then we have insulation function. The insulation function can be performed in two modes, dual mode or timer mode. We can choose the voltage test up to 1500 volts, and also we can set the limits of our insulation. We have the ground fault locator function. It is very useful, and here we can set the number of modules of our string. Here we can set the voltage of our plant, and here the limit of the low insulation value. This function allows you to find where is the bad insulation of your string. We have also the RPE continuity test to check the PV panel ground and the entire ground system. We have two modes, the standard mode or the timer mode. We have also the general setting like language, date and time, general setting like, for example, the auto power off disabling or the sound of case. And also we have some information, the serial number of our instrument, the hardware and firmware, and the calibration date. We have also here the memory with the data saved inside that can be recalled, or in this way you can transfer all the data from the instrument to your PC through the top view software included in the package.